before this video starts, I just want to say, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And be sure to click that notification bell for any new videos that I post every week. So, let's get into the video. Hey guys, what's up? This is Luke here, your boy, and today I'm just going to, sit down, maybe. Well, maybe I'm just gonna, play some stuff. This is probably gonna be like a Lego video. It's probably not gonna be that cool. But, anyway. Here is my Lego set. It's not that cool. It's just got two Lego sets here. Because you can't really see it, but I have another Lego set. Right? Oh my gosh. Sorry about that. Got this Lego set. Get out of here. Minecraft Lego set. So, I have other weird stuff in this too, like Beyblade parts and just like a bunch of random stuff. Just put them together. I'm not really finished with this one yet, but it's kinda cool. So right now I'm just going to show you the inside. So right here, if you press this button, if you hold down this button, then it lights up. There's an egg right here. If you haven't watched the Harry Potter series, then you should know what this egg is. This egg is a dragon egg that Hagrid had. So we're gonna put it right in there. And then you can hold this down, and then it'll warm it up somehow. You could also see the flames in the background. You could see the flames behind the egg. Then I just got a bunch of random stuff in here. So basically all of this stuff right here was the parts that I meant. That was the random parts that were in there. Just whatever. And then, so we have this thing. I'm gonna take off the top for you guys so you can see the inside. So right here, there's a few studs that you put this thing in. So you just have to place it on there. A few studs, and then it comes with a little knife, a shovel, and a bucket, and an umbrella that was already in there. So we're gonna just put that stuff in there. And we're just gonna leave that out there. Then we have this couch thing that Hagrid sits on. But I have, if you watched the Harry Potter series, you should know who this guy is. His name is Fudge. And, well, he doesn't have his full stuff on because you don't really know where it went. But, you can just make him sit right here. Yar, show me timbers. Who took my frying pan? And then, no wait. Sorry, Fudge. I did. Alright. So then if you come around this way again, you can see, like, there's a bunch of extra things up here where you have to, like, put stuff in. You have to put, like, the frying pan, a bunch of studs right here, and, like, a bunch of things that you have to put, like, small stuff like this in there, on there. So you just, like, put it on there, and yeah, and then this couch also has a stud right here in the back. You can barely see it, and you can put the couch on there, and you can make him sit there forever if you wanted. And the extra pieces just go out, and I'll just piece it back together later. Let's go to the front of the house. So we got a couple leaves right here, some branches. We got some windows that we can open up from the inside right here. We can also close them from the outside. Then we have the door. We could open up the door, and we could barely see Fudge in there. And then if we took the door off, probably not gonna do that. But on the other side of here, that thing with all the, like, the shovel, the knife, and the umbrella, that's where that thing is in there, and we can see the egg. So this is all for this house, for Hagrid's house. Hope you enjoyed that. But now we have another one, and it's Minecraft. Oh wait, I forgot one thing for Hagrid's thing. Sorry for the bad camera work. I'm not that good. So if we turn Hagrid's house back around, you can see these studs right here. And there's chairs that are, like, small. You have to put it right here. So that's like the mayor of something or something. And then you put that there. And then that's the end of Hagrid's house. Bye-bye. Okay. Now time for the Minecraft build. So first we have Steve. Steve looks like an enchanted diamond armor, and he has a diamond chest plate. He looks pretty cool. He has a blue shirt just like the Steve's in real Minecraft. He has brown hair. He's Pixel like in Minecraft. And as you can see, his pants are gray. So enough with Steve. Get out of here. Then we have the Blaze. The Blaze is pretty cool because it has these little rods, and it's pretty cool. They're all yellow, then his body is black. He has a face that looks like a real Blaze, but you can't really tell what the Blaze's faces look like in Minecraft because you never really get to see them. So anyway, this is the Blaze. Get out of here. Then looks like the last thing is the Ghast. The Ghast is a really big thing. He has pretty big eyes. Well, he has red eyes, but you can't really see it because of my lighting. And then right here, there's supposed to be like a disc that you have to put in there, and then this comes out, and then you press it in. Well, it goes like this, and then you press it in, and then it's really cool. So, and then that's the Ghast. So on to the real Lego set. So, okay, and then Steve also comes with a diamond sword. Looks pretty cool. But it doesn't really have the brown part at the bottom. But that's okay. So we got this mine cart right here, and some tracks, another portal. Then if we take this chest off the studs, there's probably nothing in it. Yeah, there's nothing in it. But there's like random parts that I put somewhere on the set right here. Put like random parts on the set so I could just like, so from the top I could just like put them in, and then I could close the chest. It closes perfectly, and then you could hear that all of the stuff is in there. So I'm gonna put this back on the studs. We can see that. Then we got a bed. Waffles. Bacon. Oh, I'm gonna fall off my bed. Waffles. Bacon. So good. So soft. So soft. And wait, what? What's going on? Wait, what? Whoa! Okay, bye-bye. Okay, anyway. Bed. Then we got some cobblestone right here. If I get it to focus. Okay, that's good. And then, okay, so la-ti-da. La-ti-da-ti-da. Here comes Steve. He wants to sit in the minecart. Oh, you want to sit in your minecart? Alright. So, everybody knows that you should not bring your bed to the nether. But Steve thinks wrong. Steve thinks that it's better to bring his bed with him. So he has his sword, and he thinks, and he forgot something. So he comes over to his bed, breaks it, takes it off his studs. There's no studs right here, but there's things on the bottom of the bed that make it stick. Sits back in his minecart. Then he brings his bed into the nether portal that he made. That is probably gonna fall off his head. But anyway, he goes into the nether. Okay, well, he's in the nether. And then he also takes his bed. Steve gets out of his minecart. Oops. Oops. I broke the minecart. Sorry for the bad camera work. It's just that I just lost a piece for my... Okay, here it is. Okay. Alright, now I got it. So, I can put it back on here, and he's still in the nether. So his bed is in this, like, little cave thing. We got some netherrack, magma thingamajig. Yes, sword. Then he goes to kill the nether slime thingamajig, which he sucks doing that because he's upside down. Then he grabs his bed, places it down, and goes to sleep. Oh, he's dead. Steve died. He thought it would be a good idea to sleep in the nether. Everybody, Don't sleep in the nether. It's bad. Your bed will blow up. If you don't already know that, well, it's a good tip. We just got some lava right here, and some lava, some more grass for the overworld. Then we got some quartz right here. Also, I think this is magma block. I'm not really sure, but I hope you liked today's video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.